Hello everybody and a very warm welcome once again to all of you joining us on this episode of the Goan Appetit. And today we're shooting at this quaint little cafe called the Owl Café. Today's show is not just about food but also about what is happening at the Owl House. So let's go and find out a little bit more about this quaint little cafe tucked away in the village of Aldona. Before we start off our episode today, please remember to like, subscribe to the Gomantak Times YouTube channel and leave a comment if you like this episode. Let's go find out a little bit more about the Owl Café.
Hello, welcome to the Owl Café. My name is Satish and I will serve today. So this is the menu. You have to write your name here, phone number, and this is the food products. You have to just write the quantity, how much you want.
Okay. Anything that you would suggest that I...
So for beverages we have orange espresso tonic, blue pea lemonade, and for food we have kimchi fried rice and rice pepper roll. And there is also veg as well as prawns.
Oh wow. Okay, I'll do that.
So what do you recommend?
I would like to have the kimchi fried rice.
Kimchi fried rice?
Yes. I would also like to have the rice paper rolls.
Rice paper rolls?
Yes. And to drink, maybe I would have, you said the orange espresso tonic. Yes, I'll have that.
Lemonade.
And the blue pea lemonade. Okay, so I'll have both of those as well.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
I have with me Niharika, who is an educator as well as a marketing specialist out here at the Owl House. Could you tell us a little more about the Owl House project and what it is all about?
Sure. So the Owl House began in 2018 and our motto here is basically to bridge the gap between the neurodiverse and the neurotypical. So here we have individuals who have who are on the spectrum or who are certain individuals who are neurodiverse. So they come in and we try and we find out what is their skill and where we can build on with them. What we're trying to do is integrate them into the community and with the help of the community open up a workspace for them and we strengthen on their skills.
All right. Hi, Roy. Hi, Matson. All good?
Yes.
See?
Nice to see you.
Yes, thank you. Well, we are now in conversation with Chef Matson, who is, I was told, one of the main people who make sure that the Owl Cafe is functioning efficiently and smoothly. So, Chef, could you tell us what we have out here?
Yes, today our chefs who are our students as well, they have prepared rice paper roll with our prawns and the kimchi fried rice. And we make our own kimchi and everything is done over here in house.
the food's really good. So, what was the concept of starting a cafe at the Owl House?
So, like I said, the Owl House is a skilling center.
Yeah.
So when we began, we started noticing certain strengths in our students here. Like some of them are good at handicraft, some of them are good at gardening. And then when we saw them having potential in a culinary sector, that's how the Owl Café came into picture. The students, the chefs, the front of house who we have at the cafe right now have been with us for quite a few years. They're very well trained in this. So they've undergone training, and we've also monitored them and then put them according to what their strengths are. So those two of them are chefs and some of them are in front of house. The main aim here is to build employment.
Yeah.
So what we are looking to do
In fact, that's what I was going to ask. How does it benefit them? Like what is the benefit that they get?
Right. So the students here, they get a stipend.
Oh, wow.
So what we're trying to do is build an employment kind of simulation for them, where they're aware of how they have to come in every day and the kind of commitment it takes to work in this kind of a sector. For example, we have a student here. His father has a shop, right? So our main aim here is to train him to be able to later probably work with his father and take on with the business.
Yeah.
Exactly. And even when we make the pendants, we make the bracelets, anything and everything that is made here is in-house, so that we are tapping on every skill of the individual. Each of them has what they do, and the stipend that comes in, the money that comes in, is given to them as stipends.
I think that's really nice, and it helps to make them independent individuals as well. That's excellent.
And bridging the gap is our motto, so that's what we are doing.
You said the chefs working inside as well, and it's people who are working out here. What has been your experience coming into work at the Owl House? How long have you been working over here?
Roughly around 4 months.
Okay.
My experience has been a different experience, I would say, like working in big hotels and even abroad. But I would say this kind of situation has enlightened different things about me towards neurodiverse students, as well as how I can manage them to make sure they cook the food efficiently. Okay, basically when I just entered the Owl Cafe, I didn't know how to handle the students. First, I had to observe them, because being not a part of this Owl House, so I was very confused. Will I be able to, be working continuously with them, or isn't like, within a week I have to take it off? Because to understand them was the main priority, and to find out what exactly are their needs, and wherein I have to, pitch in and help them.
Yes. Well, folks, had the most amazing meal at the Owl Café out here in Aldona. If you have the time, please do visit and try out some of the wonderful food and drinks that they have on offer. You can also take some time and check out what is on offer for all of you, and absolutely visit this place. Beautiful location, great ambiance, it's quiet, it's peaceful, and you can have yourselves a wonderful time at the Owl Café out here in Aldona.